Good morning, everybody, from my room. As you can see, I have a new radio, the Midland WR 400 version 2. I don't know if it's version 2 or 3. I would check, but I can't really do that right now. I got this and the CL100 over here. Both my AM/FM radios on KZZ 56. And over here, my two Midland straight weather radios, the WR120EZ and the EH55VP are on WXJ73 to get these weekly tests from the Quad Cities. Now, I have loosely added these tests to my EAS log, and when Chicago's test comes up, I will switch everything to KZZ55. As you can see, I'll be getting tests from 3 stations. I've gotten 3 alerts this year, and they're all weekly tests, so just trying to look to pad onto that total with 3 here. Here is our WXJ73 reception. Here is our KZZ56 reception. And now we got all the radios on. Don't worry, we'll be hearing them all in sync later when they're all on KZZ55. We'll just have to see. Nah, I'll leave this on. But yeah, we'll just have to wait and see which one goes off first, or if they both go off at the same time. Who knows? Everything's going off at once.
In the Quad Cities. The preceding system was a test of the weather radio with warning systems. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. This test is normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 11 a.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next available non-severe weather day. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting parts of eastern Iowa, northwest and west central Illinois, southwest Wisconsin, and northeast Missouri.
Everything's in sync.
This concludes the weekly test of the Weather Radio Public Warning System. We now return to normal programming.
Alright.
You're listening to our weather radio station KZZ 56.
It's time to get these things ready for Chicago's test.
Lows in the lower 70s. The preceding was a test of the National Weather Service warning alarm tone. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in north central and northeast Illinois, will be activated for watches and or warnings affecting all counties in north central and northeast Illinois, as well as counties in far northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program.
Alright, we're done.
Here is your 4